Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a pivot chart. Now, if you never watched the previous video, how to do a pivot table, you're going to be lost because a pivot chart needs a pivot table. So let me create my pivot table very quickly, right? So let's say all my people, there's like people in the business. I want to know the total sales and I want to do a pivot chart with it. So under rows, I'll just put the name. So as you could see, so just drag this name, all the names, and I want to know the total sales in these things, these blocks. Yeah, so under values, I'll bring down my sales, sum of sales, and there we go. Now I want to represent this data in a chart. So first step, right? So this is our normal home screen, right? First step, you go to the analyze over here. So can you see analyze? You click it, right? So 1 second. What's happening here? Just give me some technical difficulties here. 1 second. Okay, so you press analyze. When you press analyze, you arrive in this thing over here. Can you see in the far right, there's something called pivot chart? You press it, right? And there we go. So let's say with this information, I want a pie chart would be nice actually. There we go. We got it. We press OK. And there we go. Can you see how it made a pie chart with all these numbers? If we want to delete it, we press delete. Wait. We right click. Wait 1 second. Or we can make it smaller. Or we can press delete. Wait, delete. Delete on your computer. There's a delete button. Yeah. Let's say now we do not want this information. We want to know sum of sales. And let's say we want to know sum of quantity also. So now let's see what chart it can make, right? So just highlight this, go to your analyze, go to your chart. Let's see which one would be a nice one. It's comparing two numbers, yeah? Bar chart would be nice. Yeah, you see, because you're analyzing two numbers, it'll be different type bar charts. Actually, this one would be nice. Yeah, bar chart, 3D bar chart. And there we go. So the yellow thing, these are small numbers, so it's very hard to check comparisons, but if I change these numbers, you'll see, right? What happened? Yeah, but basically now it's using this numbers here, these two columns, to create this graph. So now let's say I don't want this, right? So just delete. So hit that, press delete on the computer. Okay. Let's take our sum of quantity, sum of sales out. So let's say I want the name and I want what is the sales, right? So each Sally, Tom and Jack, how much of sales they did, right? So I'm just going to copy this like that, go to my analyze button, go and press pivot chart, and it gives me all my graphs I can use. Yeah, but it won't work over here because you don't have it set properly. Huh? The best way to set this is actually taking this and putting it under. Wait, let me just check some in columns. I'm just going to play with it and see what comes up here. Okay, so the best way to put it is under values. Because at the end of the day, you're measuring like the total sales these people did and so on, right? So as you can see, we already did this, but I'm just showing you again. You go to analyze. Now where's analyze now? Oh wait, sorry, you have to always highlight the table, right? Then analyze will pop up. Press down, press pivot chart. So let's say a line chart. So a line chart, there we go. So you see it represents those numbers, but line chart is not so good to do this, right? Histogram is quite nice. Box and whisker. Column chart is also quite nice. So let's select that. And there we go. It represents the sum of sales, the total sales each person made. So that's how you do a pivot chart. So pivot chart is after a pivot table, right? You just go and click and it's easy things, right? Easy things.